Hey YouTube, this is ASAGHHH, and today I'll be taking out my CX500 and I will be putting it up on Craigslist tonight. Just because I've decided to go with a whole new uh, builder prototype again. I changed out the original plans I wanted, and I really don't want this kind of power supply in it anymore. It was the, I don't know if you guys can read that. The Corsair Builder Series 1 for $60, but I am gonna switch to, can go for it, I'm gonna switch to this Corsair HX 751. It's 160, but a 130, so hopefully I can sell this for the original price kind of thing and buy this one. This one should be better because I want to be able to put this Gigabyte J990FXA M3 Plus motherboard and the Sapphire Radeon HD 6870. With this, for sure, I want this. This is the cheapest 8-core desktop processor I can find, and it's the AMD FX 8150 for 190, which is pretty good for 8-core. And just because it's AMD, because I decided to go with AMD since Intel's too expensive, so that's why. And I want to get the Corsair H80, but I may have to upgrade to the H100. I don't know yet. Hopefully I don't have to upgrade to the H100, but yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so I just took off the 4 screws that held it on, and now it just slides out perfectly, like so. So like I said, I'm gonna put this on tonight, and hopefully it will be sold within this week. And I'll order the Corsair HX 750 one, and yeah. As I said, money is an issue with this. That's why this project is going super slow for you guys. Yeah, that's all I can say for now. Hopefully, for Christmas I get some things to put in here. But I decided, since I'm gonna get an HD monitor, I'm just gonna get a Blu-ray CD drive, whatever, or disc drive, just because that'd be a waste if I didn't. So that'll be all for today, YouTube. But good news is I did get my case in today, which it was pretty crazy that it got shipped out this morning at 3 a.m. and it got in at 6, and it got on the UPS truck within at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it got to my house by 3, and that's the fastest shipping I've ever used. I did the free trial for the Amazon Prime. That's how I got here so fast. Otherwise, I would have had to pay like $30 for it to be that fast again. But I really do recommend you guys start using Amazon. As you guys do know, I am a big eBay user, buyer, seller, all of the above. And Amazon, I never liked Amazon just until I just started using it, and it blows eBay away. Fantastic deals, good prices for everything. Shipping is kind of there, but it's like Amazon doesn't rip you off, and their sellers are legit. I did get this OtterBox Defender case for $21 total when it is usually $50, and that's a really good price for it. I will be doing a review soon on this. I just not gonna do a review yet, just because I want to see how good it is. But I am using most of the parts I put on my wish list still for my computer. I still want to use the 8 gig RAM, I don't know about the SSD yet. I'm still debating about that. And yes, I'm still gonna use the 2 TB hard drive. The keyboard I'm not gonna use. I did want to get this Asus VH242H since it has the HD 1080p and it's a widescreen, so that's pretty good I think for 170. And I will be using Microsoft Windows 7 just because I don't know, Windows 8 is not really my thing yet. And yeah, YouTube. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions on the computer or the iPhone or anything else in general, please feel free to send me a message and leave a comment down below. If you guys like this video, please like it down right there. And yeah, that'll be awesome. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a nice day.